I pip installed Poetry on a new machine. I create a new project with this command. So this is what the project looks like. It includes this project toml file. Now, by creating a new project with Poetry, it did not create a virtual environment. It will be created once I install packages. I add pandas as a test. So pandas is installed, including its dependencies. And as you see, the project file now includes this pandas dependency. If you ever want to see a list of installed packages, you can use this command. And there they are. Where is my virtual environment folder? It is not in my project. To find the location, execute this command. And there it is. So the virtual environment is in a cache folder. Now this is on macOS, but on Windows it will be in a similar cache folder. So the question is, do I want it here? Nope, I don't. Now I have to remember that this project uses a virtual environment on another location. Now a big part of our work is to test some code and throw it away. And now we are stuck with all these ghost folders. So I want to configure Poetry to create the virtual environment folder in my project folder. For this you have two options. You can do it just for this project, and you can do it globally. Let me start by showing you how to do it just for this project. So let me go one directory up and create yet another test project. Now I will config this specific project. I want the virtual directory in this project directory. Notice a new file was created, and it has Poetry settings specifically for this project. Now let me add pandas again. And notice what happens. Now I do have a virtual environment directory in this project. I want to always have a virtual environment directory in my project folder, so I want to change this setting globally. So without being in a project folder, I want to change that setting globally. And it is the same command without the local flag. Now I've changed it. Let me test it. I create a third project. I install pandas again. And look at this. There is the virtual environment folder in my project folder. Poetry stores the global config file in this folder, and if you're curious, this is what it looks like. Now, of course, there are legit reasons to store virtual environments folder in a cache folder. First of all, there is no need to exclude them from Git that way. Second, on a production machine, it might be a benefit to have a single cache folder with all virtual environments for cleanup purposes. You'll be the one to decide what to do. I hope this video helped you.